What is going on, my guys? I hope you're having a wonderful day. We're still in Vegas right now, and the reason why we wanted to make this video, obviously it's probably titled like the most expensive toy in the world, because I think that's exactly what it is. And tell me, as a kid, at least to myself, I grew up with the idea that I would make money and I would take care of my family, those people who I loved, and take care of the things that I really thought were not right in the world. But also, I never stopped thinking, my God, when I grow older, I want to get myself the biggest toys I can possibly buy. And I'm talking about when I was really young. And some people in this world have actually made that dream come true. The same guy who showed us his garage, beautiful plane, and everything else owns the Robosaurus. Robosaurus is a damn transformer, and it's the largest transformer in the world. So you can suck it, Megatron. That's right. And it's right in front of me. This is absolutely insane. This robot was built 35 years ago. It cost $2 million to build 35 years ago, and it was built by a NASA engineer. So how about I just show you what we're talking about, and we're gonna get to ride in it, and we're gonna get to split flames, and we're gonna get to, I think, destroy a keg, a beer keg. So it can destroy cars, but we didn't have a car, we just showed up. Let's see how this goes. This is unreal, and hope that this sparks a little bit in you guys to know that you should never stop playing. Always enjoy yourself, because it's a big part of what keeps us sane. Let's go. So I just want you guys to understand this one thing. Robosaurus goes in this trailer right here. You plug it into the back, you put its arms in, everything inside, and then the rear tires of Robosaurus serve like as a semi-trailer, if you will. So this is where you see it. This is how they move it. They put it in this truck and they take it everywhere around the world. And this right here, my guys, is Robosaurus. You want to know a couple of crazy facts about it? So number one, it's 40 feet tall. That means it's twice as tall as a regular T-Rex. It weighs 58,000 pounds. That means that's 3 times more than an actual T-Rex. It can also crush cars and many other things, and I'm going to show you all the details right now. So obviously now they have it right now bowing down, because that's the way to get into Robosaurus, like through the head. But I'm going to show you everything that makes this robot what it is. So number one, obviously you see the tail part. The tail part right here. So these wheels do not have any power other than turning, and with this is exactly the system that makes it turn. So that's how that works. These are semi, obviously, tires, the ones that you put behind that semi truck. In here, in this arm, this is where you have all of the amps and basically all of the batteries for the sound system. So, and underneath this, you're gonna see some tires. These are forklift tires right there. Those are the ones that actually move Robosaurus, not the ones on the back. So those are the ones that do that. And now in here by the chest, and this is the incredible part of this, you're gonna see a speaker. I don't know if you guys can see it there. So in there and also in here, I'm gonna get down. You guys see this massive speaker? So when Robosaurus stands up, you can hear all of the noises that he makes, because he growls and he makes all these crazy noises while he spits flames and whatnot. That's the front arm. Obviously, you guys can see what he does. That's gonna grab the car or whatever you're putting in front of it that you want to burn, destroy, or anything like that. Now, onto the teeth. These are stainless steel teeth, so it can crush through anything you can possibly imagine and then some. Right here inside, that's the cabin. So we're gonna be sitting right there in a few minutes, which is insane. The eyes are lasers. These are for smoke, and back there, they used to put machine guns in them. Believe it or not. Not real machine guns, but like cool machine guns. Right here, this is the nose. This is where it blows all the fire from. Same kind of thing on the other side, and the one thing that you're gonna see right here on the other leg, which again has forklift tires, is this right here. And this right here, this is where the propane goes. So that's the propane that's gonna make the fire come out of his mouth. Whew. Man, this is the first time I do an overview of a robot, so, you know, just getting my feet wet, people. I can't wait to get in. So apparently we have a beer keg, which is what we're gonna destroy with it. Somehow they can make it look like he's drinking it and then destroying it. So I'm just dying to see what he does. And by the way, this is like a rolling Super Bowl halftime show right here. This is unreal. They should tour this around the world. At least in Mexico, I feel like this shit would be like a huge hit. I love it. Let's go. guys, but Robosaurus uses a diesel engine to power it up. So there you go. For those asking, how exactly does that work? It's a diesel engine. I don't think anyone's asking like that, but hey, you never know. All right, in the moment that Sergio's been waiting for, I'm going in. We'll see what happens, Sergio.
Want me to go first?
Use this?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, you go first, please. Please, Adam.
Here we go.
Okay.
On this side. Right there.
And then another one right here.
What you got to do is you got to kind of harness yourself. Go straight down, feet right there. Don't go feet over on the side. Put your feet right on the bottom of the seat.
Okay.
Turn around.
Right on the bottom.
Then you're going to step back into the back seat.
Okay. And oh no! That's where I'm sitting. I'm sitting in the back. Can you hold this for me?
Absolutely.
Thank you. It's rolling, so.
You got it.
So here.
Yep. You can stand right there. Then both feet straight to the seat. Perfect. Turn.
Okay.
Now we're gonna step back into the back seat. You're gonna cross your legs, and then you're gonna cross your arms. Hey, wait. You're doing this the hard way. Come back out. Come back out. Go feet first.
Okay.
There you go. Now get that other foot in there.
Wait.
There you
You got it.
You got this, buddy.
Now I got it.
There it is. There it is. There you go. Now sink into that seat.
Woo.
There you go, buddy. There you go, buddy.
Thank you. Whoa! Is that the seat? Whoa! This is bananas. This is absolutely bananas. So these are where his arms are gonna go, and he can move the whole thing. So it's kind of like a real life Power Ranger. And then also, those are both his pedals. You guys see that? Now look at all the switches. He's some crazy shit. It took him 3.5 months to learn how to operate it. Am I sitting all the way down in here?
Yeah.
That's it?
Lift up,
It'll make sense? Okay.
Yeah, once it launches you back in your seat, you'll understand.
Oh my God.
And here's all your controllers. Every single finger, up and down. You move your elbow, you move your shoulder,
Okay.
and you drive down here with your feet.
I see that. So you do have
Put
pedals.
your feet right there, and then drive like that.
Got it. Perfect. Good luck to everyone, especially me. Damn, you're seeing yourself there so you can operate this thing. That's crazy. So you're operating from a third-party perspective, basically.
That's all I can see.
Whoa.
That's all I can see, brother.
Whoa.
All right, copy that. We're gonna idle up, go pumps on.
Here we go.
Alejandro, you ready?
Ready. Wow, it really shakes a lot.
I'll try and keep it as
No, that's good. No, that's good. This is just my commentary. I'm sorry.
Here we go, brother.
That's just how he's operating. Look at the fire. Holy shit. Feels nice.
See that shadow down there?
Yeah. Oh my God. This is incredible. Dude, you have the biggest toy in the world, period. Period.
I got a rough life, buddy.
Yeah. Nice, Sergio. Throw a couple flames at him.
Copy that. Do a little bit of driving, see if we can't
do it.
This sucker. Here we go, buddy.
It's unreal how you're just doing that with your feet and your hands at the same time. And this is how you make a U-turn in Robosaurus.
Piece of cake.
Whoa, you really did this quick.
Piece of cake, man.
Whoa. We're getting out so we can actually see how he's gonna smash the keg, because inside of here I'm gonna fly over him. So we don't want that, right, Adam?
No, we don't want that.
You don't want my balls hitting you on the back of your head.
No, that'd be preferred no.
All right, I'm gonna get out real quick and Adam's gonna film me because he's saying that it looks really embarrassing when people try to come out. Okay, hang on. Let me put my phone right here.
How was it?
It's unreal, man. This is the biggest toy in the world.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
Oh,
I
piece
got
of
one
cake.
down.
Piece of cake.
And then just right here.
Double up, put your feet right here, and just step right over it. Look at you go. Look at you go.
So here, put both, like my feet
Yep,
right
you can walk just not past this. You can walk anywhere on this.
Okay.
I'm
not here. Like this?
Yep, and then you can put your foot right here too. And then I'll get out of your way and you can step right here.
All right.
And things might be a little long.
What up? Thank you.
How was that?
Whoa.
Is it unreal?
Wow.
I'm trying to look crazy.
Dude, it is, he's driving a Power Ranger.
Yeah.
Like straight up, he's driving a Power Ranger. I've never been inside of one. Whoa. And now, thank you very much for the ride, Robosaurus. And now let's see how you break that keg.
I like that.
So we're getting ready to crush this keg. We're doing a practice run right now. So here comes the real thing, baby. Oh my God. Have you guys ever seen a robot drinking a beer? Oh my God, yeah. The warm beer smells amazing. Never stop playing, guys. See you later.